Hey, and welcome back, guys. So today it's very special because once again I am leaving Sweden to go to a destination. Everything packed here. I have packed less than I've ever done before, so I only have one suitcase and my camera bag this time, which is pretty cool that I actually made it to have such a little packing with me. But can you guess where I'm going? Yeah? No? Okay, I'm gonna tell it. I'm going to Thailand, which is super freaking amazing that we're actually going there. As I said, I'm just gonna shoot a little bit on the journey there, and when I arrive, it's just amazing. See you soon. Okay, we have finally arrived in Doha, and I probably found my dream car right here, actually. But now I'm gonna be here for 2 more hours before my next flight is going. Then I'm gonna be in Thailand, but that trip is gonna take around 6 hours, I think, actually. That's gonna be pretty amazing. So, see you guys on the other side. I'm gonna check on the iPhone shop here, or Apple shop. Hey guys, so I'm finally here in Phuket. I'm in my new hotel room that I'm gonna stay for 1 day more. So I just have all my camera gear set up right now, and then my suitcase. And if you take a really nice look outside, and you can see my wondrous hotel down here. Amazing. So that is just super cool. And also we're going on an excursion today, which is a sunset cruise. So it's an afternoon / sunset cruise on a boat, which is pretty cool because I haven't been on those in a while. And you know I love a good cruise. So we're gonna swim in the blue water. I'm gonna take a lot of videos, and after that, you know the drill. We're gonna talk a lot of Thailand. I actually forgot to show you guys the new room. Here's the bathroom. Boom. Here I am. Shower. Pretty cool. Then come back into the big room. We have this amazingly huge bed, actually. Another mirror. And my desk here that I have filled with stuff right now. And then of course I have my suitcase, which is amazing to have. A little chair. Also, this really cool thing here. It lights up this the whole way. So that is a really cool evening thing. But yes, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the room also. I am gonna move the room soon, so we don't have to be too excited about this room yet.
3 days later.
What a ending of this video. So as you know, I moved in to the other apartment before. Now I live in the new apartment, which is the one I hopefully gonna stay in the whole time here in Thailand. Amazing to finally have come to place. I've been here for over a week now. I have not had time to finish this video yet, so I'm pretty late. But this is my new room. All my jackets and stuff are hanging in the background. Huge bed behind you. Like it's crazy. We've been doing so much this first week. We've been doing excursions, like 4 of them, and I'm doing a lot of e-learning right now before I can start working. But before I start working, I need my work permit here in Thailand, which is gonna take a few days more. So before I actually get that, I can only do like hotel studies. Today, for example, I'm gonna study my hotel, see how it looks inside. Really amazing. So what am I gonna talk about right now? Maybe we don't have much money right now, so I'm actually on a very low budget this month. It's very crazy actually. So I'm trying to survive because of the last season I did not get so much pay because there was one whole month I was staying in Sweden, so I didn't work. So that's really, really sad. But I did actually buy these. Like, it's some kind of candy or something. It's like natural peanuts and like a cake of some sort. They're so good. Like, I can eat these 50 times a day. That's amazing. I do have a gym schedule again now, which makes me so happy because I've been actually a bit stressed out over this destination right now first, but now at least the things are going great and I can soon start working, which is like why I'm here, of course. So I want to know from you guys, what do you want to see from Thailand? I do have some plans already. I'm gonna make like videos about the excursions that I have been on right now and make like separate videos for each of them, or depending on the segment, how much I can talk about each segment of them, which is gonna be really cool because you will get to learn more about Thailand. I feel like a real tour guide as I am in real life, so everyone is winning on this. Pretty amazing. Maybe I should like sell guidebooks. No, I don't know. But yes, that's a small update from Thailand. I can show you some footage in the end of the video, just how amazing some of these trips have been, and that's gonna give you a little sweet tooth of what's coming next on this channel about traveling. I am sorry if it is a bit echoey in this room. I will try if I'm gonna record in my room as much as possible, or actually try and have my videos outside at like private location somewhere where I just can record all my videos. Would be amazing. I do have a car, maybe I can use that one sometimes, just record some videos. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. Welcome guys to Thailand and see you next time. Have a great week. Bye. Actually having a problem opening up. Oh, there we go. Really nice. See you guys.